Changing your primary email on VITAC is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the VITAC website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to initiate the email change. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the web page. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Update your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. Check your new email inbox for a verification message from VITAC and follow the instructions to confirm the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email address will be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any further instructions or confirmations from VITAC.